Welcome to another KHOGC, Corrosion, Abrasion, and Industrial Coating Solutions presentation. Please click like, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this project, Team KHOGC's Matt Hadfield worked on site at a power station in Queensland, Australia. The task: repair and protect sections of a large condenser unit. A number of smaller areas were repaired and coated with Arcor 2211 and S20, and then it was on to the big job. The area is bristle blasted back to bare metal, removing corrosion damage, cleaned, and prepared for coating. Then, Matt gets to work patching and coating, using Arcor epoxy technologies. Used, recommended, and distributed in Australia by KHOGC. After surface prep, abrasive cleanliness and environmental tests are done to confirm required conditions for coating. Then, Arcor 2211 is applied to fill and smooth out any pitting caused by corrosion. In this instance, Matt left the Arcor 2211 to cure for 45 to 60 minutes. Then, Arcor S20 is applied for finish and protection. Please contact us for more information by emailing info@khogc.com. Thanks for watching.